Hi Internet, Bob Mills here, your Ouya Games guy, back again to talk some awesome Ouya action with you. We have another cool system update. I would like to introduce you to Mr. James Karras.
Hey again, Internet. How's it going? So we're here to talk about our newest OTA, Update Jackalope. It's our first update after the holidays. So the first thing we're going to do is hop into Discover and check out our first big feature. My God, it's full of stars. It's a 2001 Space Odyssey. Yeah, so the stars that you guys are seeing on the screen are the new rating system that we put in. You probably got a hint that we were working on this because our survey question recently has been how you would rate specific games. But you see the 1 to 5 star rating system, pretty standard. And then next to each rating system, the number of people that have rated the game.
So it looks like trending has changed a bit, James.
Yeah, so you're going to see some numbers in the top left-hand corner of trending. We put those there because a lot of people didn't actually realize that trending now was an ordered list. So we added numbers to make it clear that, yeah, these things are actually in O-rank order. It was some feedback we got. Pretty quick addition, actually.
Cool.
So one of the major changes that you guys will probably notice as we scroll through Discover is that the details button is now always on O. And then your action button, whether that be download or update or play, we've moved to the U button.
So how does one actually rate a game?
All right, well, let's hop into Chess 2 and we can talk about that. In fact, I used the U button to launch it.
Chess 2 is an awesome game. It came out a couple weeks ago, and it's basically like the evolution of chess, right, James?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's my new favorite game on Ouya. I've been playing the animals set piece pretty much exclusively. The best part about it is that, you know, if you've played chess for a while, all of a sudden you're jumping in and you have this totally new experience. It's like doing chess for the first time, which, you know, for me is super exciting.
Well, so Chess 2 is an Ouya exclusive. You should check it out. You can play online with James.
Yeah, absolutely.
So how do I rate Chess 2?
Yeah, so one of the important things that we wanted to make sure we did was require the user to actually play the game before they can assign a rating to it. And the way that we do that is that you can rate from the system menu. So I double tap the Ouya button. It will bring up the pop-up that you're seeing right there, which allows me to rate the game. I can also skip it if I don't want to rate it right now, but rate it later. Or I can choose to have it never ask me again for this game. It's a pretty simple 5-star rating system. You just choose 1 to 5 stars on the button, then submit it, and you're good to go.
So is that it, James?
Actually, we have one more big feature that we're really excited to talk about.
What?
It's something that our users have been asking for quite some time, and it's the delayed system update. So you'll see here that I'm going to exit the game, and when I get back to the home screen, I'm going to get a prompt that's asking me if I want to update. It says a system update's available. I can either update now or do it later.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why would you want to do it later?
So we got a lot of feedback from our fans that were saying, hey, we've got a group of friends over, we really want to play Bomb Squad, and then an update comes up and we're all sitting there waiting through the update. So we're like, yeah, that does kind of suck. One important caveat is that you can't access Discover or update games until you get this update. The reason that we do that is that we want the best experience for all of our gamers, and so that way we know that everyone's, you know, has the most up-to-date build when they go into our store to check everything out. We should give a shout out to Ouya for everything. Yeah. Those guys are awesome. If you're looking to give feedback on Ouya or engage in the community, go to ouyaforum.com.
They're cool.
They're very cool.
So is that it?
So that's all for the stuff that we're going to show you right now, but make sure to check out ouya.tv/blog. Want me to help you out with that? Right there? Nice. So make sure to read up there, check out all the things that we're doing. I also talk a little bit about kind of what we're targeting in the future.
Until next time,
Internet. Yeah, that's it for now. For the video.
Okay. So
we're never done.
It's true.